Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to customize the checkout button in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google. You can continue with your working or business email. Or you might want to click the more options so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, customizing the checkout button in Squarespace can offer a lot of benefits, enhancing both the user experience and the overall design of your website. Now, if you wanted to check out if you wanted the checkout button to be customized, that's going to be reflected on your branding because it'll allow you to maintain consistency with your brand's visual identity, and you can choose obviously some colors, fonts, and styles that align with your brand, reinforcing recognition and professionalism throughout the checkout process. And I believe the checkout button serves as a critical call to action, prompting users to complete the purchase. And by customizing the button here with a persuasive language or design elements, it can increase its effectiveness and encourage more conversions, right? Now, most of the well-known users in a website believe that a well-designed checkout button can improve the aesthetic appeal of your website and create a positive impressions on your visitors. Now, for us to be able to customize the checkout button, we need to go to the custom CSS editor. Now, for you to do that, just go to this specific option. Now, from here, just go to the utilities, and under that, choose the website tools. And obviously, you need to choose the custom CSS. Of course, if you have some custom codes here, you might want to delete that for now. Now, here's going to be the checkout page that we have, right? Now, for you to be able to change or customize the checkout button, once you are here, you can simply put these custom code right here in the left side panel of your dashboard. And you can do so much in here because from that, you can also add something like a hover effect. I'll click on it, as you can see. Now, once you've done that, all you're going to do is click on save so that you would see the effect reflected on your website. Click on it. Now, if you happen to you don't have the checkout button, right? It's a lot easy to add on it. Just click on here, click edit site footer. And from here, obviously, you can add a new section. Right? Now, once you're here, you can also check the mobile version of the checkout buttons, right? Or to start a new template, why not choose a template that has a checkout button? Just proceed with the following on-screen instructions. And while waiting for it, just select the template that offers a page checkout right here. And from here, just continue, click on continue, right? And after that, we're almost there. Just wait a little bit. Now remember, customizing the checkout button can improve its usability on mobile devices where space may be limited. From here, just for example, this is going to be our option. Click on it. We can edit simply that. There you go. As you can see, you have an option to how to customize the checkout button in Squarespace. And that's it, basically the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.